In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Claude extension to generate transcripts and summaries from YouTube videos. To get started, open the Chrome Web Store in your browser. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for the extension called YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude. Make sure you select the correct extension from the search results so you install the right tool. This extension is designed to help you quickly pull a transcript from a YouTube video and turn that content into a useful summary, which can save a lot of time when you're reviewing lessons, interviews, tutorials, or longer videos. When you find the extension, click the button that says Use in Chrome to begin the installation. Your browser may show a confirmation window asking if you want to add the extension. If that happens, simply confirm the installation and wait a few seconds for it to finish. After it's installed, the extension will be added to your browser and should be ready to use right away. If you want easier access later, it can help to keep an eye on your browser's extension area so you can quickly confirm that it was installed successfully. Next, open any video on YouTube. This can be any video you want to work with as long as it's available for normal viewing. Once the video page has fully loaded, look toward the upper right area of the video page for the extension panel. This is where the tool integrates directly into YouTube, making it easy to use without leaving the page. Now click the extension panel in the upper right corner of the video. When you do this, the extension will generate the video's transcription and prepare a summary that can be used with ChatGPT or Claude. Depending on the video and the extension settings, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time if the result does not appear instantly. The transcript can be especially useful if you want to review the content more carefully, and the summary is a great way to understand the main points without having to rewatch the entire video. That's all you need to do. With just a quick installation and a single click inside YouTube, you can turn videos into readable transcripts and concise summaries, making research, study, and content review much more efficient.